Hello everyone, welcome back. I brought another question for you under the topic of cost sheet. That is a very simple problem here. Let's go through it. Following information is extracted from the record of Life Center Corporation for the period of 1st January to 30th of June 2020. That means 6 months period. Then this raw material opening and closing is given, cost of WIP, work in progress is given, and also finished stock is given. I believe you understand where to put these things. Okay. Then transaction for last 6 months are given, purchase of raw material, wages paid, factory overhead, administrative overhead, selling distribution overhead. Basically everything is given here. Like you don't have, they are not giving in so multiple items of under every category, whereas here they are giving like one full total of one particular category. Like factory overhead total how much, administrative overhead how much total. The factory overhead is 92,000. I did not write. Okay, administrative overhead is given there. So like that, they have given all the gross of everything. Okay, sale is also given total. Now in the question they are asking prepare a cost sheet showing. Prepare a cost sheet showing. Number one is material consumed, that you will have to adjust your raw material purchase with the opening cost of raw material and closing cost of raw material. You'll get your material consumed. Then prime cost, if you add the wages paid, you'll get prime cost. Factory cost incurred, that is the normal factory cost, that is a gross factory cost, and factory cost total, that is after adjusting the WIP. Okay, it's not asking you to calculate more than that, so we will not prepare cost sheet for more than that. Cost of goods sold, sale, all these things we will not do. Okay, then it is also asking you to prepare income statement in the traditional form for the last 6 months, showing gross profit and net profit. All right, let's begin. Let's start with first thing is your opening stock of raw material. Let me write RM for raw material. Okay, opening stock of raw material is 30,000. With that we'll add purchase. Raw material purchase is given at 4,50,000. Okay, and with that we will less closing stock of RM. Closing stock of RM is given at 25,000. So raw material consumed will be 45, 4,53 minus 25 will be 4,55,000. 4,55,000. This is your raw material consumed. Okay, let me write it here. Raw material consumed. Raw material consumed is basically your total purchase added with opening stock of raw material minus with closing stock of raw material. So you'll get 4,55,000 as cost of raw material, and with that we will add wages paid, and we will get the prime cost. Wages paid given is 2,30,000. So 2,30,000. If we add these two, we will get what is called the prime cost. Prime cost will be 6,85,000. 6,85,000. So first two things has been found: material consumed and prime cost. Now we'll find out factory cost incurred or gross factory cost and factory cost. Okay, now with the prime cost we will add factory cost. Factory OHD, overhead. Factory overhead is given at 92,000. So let's add 92,000. So 6,85,000 plus 92,000 will be 777. 7,77,000. 777. This is your factory cost incurred. We can also call it gross factory cost. Now with this we'll add and minus the opening and closing stock of WIP to find out the factory manufacturing cost. Okay, so add opening stock of WIP. Opening stock of WIP given here is 12,000. Okay, and less closing stock of WIP, not WIP, work in progress, that is given at 15,000. So if we add and minus these two things from your factory cost incurred, you will get your factory cost, which is 7,74,000. This is your factory cost. Okay, so that's it. Below you need not do. Now let us prepare the income statement. Income statement we will prepare to find out the gross profit and net profit of this particular organization. Okay, so gross profit, you know, gross profit is sales minus cost of goods sold, right? Sales is already given here at 9 lakhs, so let me put 9 lakh here. With this I'll simply minus less COGS, cost of goods sold. What is cost of goods sold? Cost of goods sold is opening stock of what? Of finished goods. Opening stock of finished goods, plus factory cost that we just calculated, and less closing stock of FG, finished goods. That is find these values. Opening stock is given 60 and 55. 60,000 and 55,000. 7,74,000 is factory cost. 7,74,000 is factory cost. So our total cost of goods sold will be 7,79,000. 7,79,000. Okay, so sales minus cost of goods sold will be your gross profit. That will be 1,21,000. Gross profit found. Now from gross profit we will deduct all the indirect expenses and get the net profit. Less, what are indirect expenses? We have just two. One is administrative, another one is selling. Okay, how much of the administrative is 30,000 here, and selling is 20,000. 30 and 20. 30,000 and 20. So total of your indirect expenses is 50,000. So gross profit minus your selling and distribution, you will get net profit, which will be 71,000. This is your profit. Okay, so this is how you draw an income statement from the figures given in the cost sheet. Thank you for watching.